Hey guys, it is Friday morning. I'm gonna do an hour in my garage before I head off and do some errands. I'm gonna put you on fast forward. And the goal is a refrigerator, but if I can grab some of this stuff and get in the car to give away, that would be lovely. Okay, y'all, I just read the instructions again, and it says not for use outside or a garage. There we go. So I think my instincts are right. So I'm going to order that pad, and I'm going to put it inside. And when my friend's son comes, maybe he'll help me get it around. I just don't want, it's going to be cold. So that's the story, y'all. So, I'm going to try to move some stuff around so I can park in my garage. Anyway, yeah, what do y'all think? Let me know in the comments. But I'm not plugging it up today, so. But maybe, I could probably get it around myself. But I want to have that mat. I don't want to have to move everything out and move it. Okay, the one I ordered got lost, Okay.